All right, so you finished the Recorder Basics quiz where that you listened to the 5 tutorial videos and you learned how to hold your recorder, how to finger the pitches and play those first 3 pitches. You are ready now to go up here and come to the Recorder Karate Belt test, and you are going to then, with the left tab, come to Test 1, White Belt. When you get here, the first thing you'll do is you will listen to the video, of course, and follow her instructions. Over to the right side here, you'll notice any music term that's talked about in the video, you will see written right here. The music terms, pitches, notes to learn. So all of those things could be part of what's on your test. It's part of helping you to understand what it is that she's saying. She takes you through 4 steps. Please do all 4 steps where you're counting out the rhythm, where that you're speaking the pitches in rhythm, then where you put the recorder on your chin and with your fingers you finger the pitch as you speak it in rhythm, and then the 4th is where you're playing like her. Now once you have done that and you played along with her for 2 or 3 times and then you've played by yourself, then you're ready to video. By the way, only on the first 2 songs does she have the music up there for you to look at in her video. From then on, you need to be looking at the music that I gave you. So you should always have your music in front of you, looking at it, because that teaches you to be looking at your music and reading it. Okay, so you've done all that. You're ready to do your video. So you get out your iPad or your iPhone or your Android phone, and you either video yourself, or mom or dad, you are the ones who are videotaping your student that's playing. Once you have done that, then it's time to do the white belt test. So we're pretending like Mr. Ward is a student, and I'm going to take a white belt test 1. So it says fill out form. That's what I will click first. When I do that, it brings up this Google quiz. So email address, you can put in parent address, student address. It matters not to me, as long as the parent is able to keep up with the student's progress to see how well they're doing. Okay, where it says write your name, that is speaking about the student's name. So you'd be putting your student's name there, not the parent name. Under select your teacher name, you have a drop down bar. I'm going to be Mrs. Juarez today. So I am purposely going to pick the incorrect answer on these questions. With every video quiz, there will be 4 questions that if they get all 4 correct, it's worth 20 points. The video they submit is worth 80 points. So if they say make only 50 points on the video, but they have all 4 questions answered correctly, that's 20 points. 50 and 20 is 70. They would pass. Now, I will always give feedback on the videos of areas that they're needing to work on. So that's for your put away for future reference. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to select some incorrect answers. Answers that I sometimes get from my students in class, and I think, oh my, I have failed them. Okay, so I put the answers in. It's time now to do the video. So I've done the video and I come to add file. Here's where a lot of people get confused, because when they click add file, this generic boxing comes up that says drag files here or select files from your computer. And they're like, oh no, I have to do it from the computer. So they try sending their video over to the computer, get on the computer and do it. That's just the term that's used there. If you're on your phone, a tablet, or whatever, when you click this, it will bring up an option for you to take a video then, or to select from your photo library. And I don't know how the Androids say it, but it would be something similar. I'm on a computer right now, so when I do this, it's going to go straight to my videos where that I have the things that I need. So what I'm going to do right here is use, first of all, one of my black belt students from last year, his video for his 9th belt. And after I've done that, it's loaded up here. And all I simply am going to do is come down here and I will click upload. Now, if for any reason that the video format you try to submit does not work, it will just simply be in writing down here beside here, it says does not support this format or whatever. So I'm going to click upload. Once it's uploaded, it goes back to my Google quiz. I see here that it's been on there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click submit. Everything's ready. Now I receive this box that says your test has been submitted. Please allow 48 hours for response. During the school week, Monday through Friday, I try to respond within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the number of tests that I have submitted and what our workload is like. If it's submitted after school hours on Friday, it may be Monday or Tuesday before they get their results back, depending on the weekend. Some weekends I'll work on it because I have the time to. Other weekends I'm way too busy. But anyway, the response go to you. Once you have passed this belt, then you're going to simply just go back up to your next belt up here and go to the next test. And you just keep following that same procedure until you've done all the tests. Okay, I hope that was very helpful for you. Have a great day.